Dr. Barbara Greenberg has a doctorate in clinical psychology and is the co-author of Teenage as a Second Language, A Parent's Guide to Becoming Bilingual.
I decided to write the book after 20 years of running an inpatient adolescent unit and doing private practice and raising my own teenagers. I decided that it's a tough enough journey for a lot of people, and I could make the road a lot easier by sharing some of my secrets.
Okay.
Teens will never answer a direct question. Indirect, subtle, and the kids will start spilling. I don't think it should be one single birds and the bees talk. I think it should be ongoing and gradual conversations.
After the prom, the kids are all going out. They're getting in a car. Someone's driving who shouldn't be driving.
The prom is both a very exciting time and a very stressful time. It's an exciting time because kids have been looking forward to it for months, sometimes even years. When a celebrity gets into trouble for drug abuse, start talking to your teen about that.
Okay.
That way, it's not, you're not lecturing your teenager, you're using
Look what happened to
Look what
them.
happened to Lindsay. Look what happened to this other person. That mother was preparing the room for the children to have sex in, for the teens to have sex in. She was putting condoms out.
Okay.
She was laying out the room. I was wondering if she was going to draw a bath for the kids and light candles for them. What's even worse than being abused is not being believed by a parent. Abusers tend to pick out kids who are less likely to speak about it. Talk to your children about how the mind, the body, and the heart are a team. Teens are too plugged in when their computer and Facebook and texting are taking over. The reason that parents avoid talking to their kids about sex is because, first of all, they don't want to imagine that their kids in that kind of physical entanglement.
Should you be friends with your kids on Facebook?
You can be friends with them for the purpose of monitoring what's going on in their Facebook. You can't make any hard and fast rules with your kids. It really depends on the individual temperament of the child.
I'm not a doctor, you are, but you got some great advice in your book.
Thank
It's
you.
Teenage as a Second Language, The Parent's Guide to Becoming Bilingual.